guys, so this is another video. I just got this mail from Amazon, which I just ordered the ZtoTop case for my iPad Pro 12.9 inch 2018, and I also got this anti-glare. This is the matte anti-glare screen protector for my iPad, and I'm gonna show you the unboxing, just a quick one, and then I'm gonna show you how it feels like to write on it and to fit the iPad into the case. If you like this video, please subscribe. Do consider to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.